When it comes to UGC, it is the hardest thing in the world to find creators that will do videos on time, that will actually do the videos once you pay them. So guys, what are people doing now? They're going to AI. AI UGC is the best way to build and scale businesses. Now, whether you're giving that to clients or doing it for your own business, it is by far the most effective way of building a brand. Now, there is one company out there called Arcads who have dominated the AI UGC space. And guys, I'm going to show you exactly how it works today, how real it looks, and who knows, maybe this is AI speaking to you right now. Let's get into the video. So here we are at arcads.ai. This is what I was talking about in the introduction. The most innovative and professional looking AI videos you can make on the market. Now, I actually don't want to bore you with just talking about you can make those AI videos and manage people's social media. I don't want to talk about that. I actually want to show you exactly what I'm talking about because a lot of people speak on social media about how good their AI company is. I'm going to show you how good these are. You will not notice, let me know in the comments, that this is AI videos. Guys, it could well be this is AI right now talking to you. Okay, it's that good you would not be able to tell. So let's take full control of this. Okay, well, Arcad, you can do all different kinds. We've got examples on here. Okay, so you can see the different kind of styles they have here. Whether it's promoting a product, you can have an AI character. Whether it is doing on your phone, showing different apps or games, you could do that as well. Or just talking to the camera, exploring what it takes to make the AI video. So guys, let's log in and check what is it I'm talking about. All right, guys, you can see once you get inside, you can see I use this so much. It's unbelievable. But if we go to new project, okay, and we're going to choose an actor just so you can see perfectly how this works. Okay, talking actor, we write a script. Let's just say, hey, I am the best AI talking model you can find on the internet. Trust me when I say, if you like, subscribe, you will not regret. All right, you can put anything you want in here. You can go to ChatGPT, take a script. You can copy a script from someone else, put it in here, and it will do it. So let's just go with this, okay? I'm going to add an actor now. Now, this is where it gets really good. I have a pro account, guys, but you can have a free account and just use this as well as a trial, okay? You do pay... I think it comes to $10 a video if you get a smaller package. If you get a big package like me, you actually get it down to nearly like $5 a video, which guys is crazy. People will pay hundreds of dollars for these videos. So let's just choose an actor at random, okay? Let's go with this guy here. Let's go with Harlan. Okay, let's go with Harlan and let's go. Oh, sorry, his name is Charles. Let's go with Charles, okay? Okay, so it's Charles. We've added him in there, okay? He's now gonna do this script once we go ahead. So it's very, very simple, okay? And this is only a tiny script. You can add a little bit more to it. It doesn't matter. This is just for an example. So let's go ahead and create this, okay? It does come up with some generation suggestions, okay? Avoid violent, racist, or adult content. Of course, we don't want to be doing that. Either way, whatever your business is, you don't want to be putting that out. Avoid typos and use proper pronunciation. You get the credits. I've got 30 left. Let's generate the video. And you can see here, it's going to take a little while to load. I think it takes around 5 to 10 minutes. All right. Very, very easy. But guys, look at this when it is done. All right, guys, you can see here, the video is in. So let's have a look at this. Okay. Very, very easy. You can see when this plays, the exact script is going to be read out.
I am the best AI talking model you can find on the internet. Trust me when I say if you like, subscribe, you will not regret.
Easy. Look how good that looks. Now, guys, this is easy. You can do this with hundreds of different actors, okay? You can go through them all and see which ones you like the best. There is so many, whether they're walking, they could sat in an elevator, whatever it is. Test this yourself. But guys, AI UGC, there is no better company doing it out there than Arcad. There you go, guys. Tell me if you didn't love that in the comments. If you did love it, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, bell button, notify, go make some AI characters, and let's get Arcads.